Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to ask a question on Reddit, you come to the right place. So, asking a question on Reddit is straightforward, and first of all, you need to open and log into your Reddit account, and now you need to choose right subreddit to ask your question. So in the search bar, you need to find the right subreddit. For example, I want to ask a question on the web development, so I write web dev here, and it's redirects me to a web dev subreddit. So here I need to click on create a post, and in this subreddit, as you can see, web dev subreddit, I need to ask a title. For example, how to make my site load faster. Uh, so once you've done that, you ask your question in the title. You need to ask community how to help you. You need to write your problem, so just simply write something about your problem which you want to ask, and now just simply click on post. I don't have any questions for this subreddit, so I will click on save draft, but once you click post, your question will be added to this subreddit, and you just simply need to wait while the community will answer your question. That's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.